Hello, Bafet, it's your boy Menzi. Then when I say Mama 15 kilometers away from King Williamstown in the province of the Eastern Cape. Now you know. Here's the name of the show. Who's it, Bafet? Kuhambani. Namhlanje ke siphethe umba obaluleke kakhulu in terms of South African industry. South African industry showing us flames. South African industry bring us artists and iphinde izikhabele ngaphandle. So namhlanje we do have Anonymous. Sabe sincokola naye ke Anonymous, then ke sabe break down what's happening, who's it, kuhambani Bafethu in the South African industry. There's a lot of artists ezinkulu besike sazibona zibig on our screens, then saphinda sazibona sezifeyidile. There's a lot of artists from underground ezifuna uba kwi-mainstream, but it's hard for them to be on the mainstream. Then we have big artists okozazi kwi-mainstream from the get-going, and they are still relevant even today while they had 2 decades in the space. Now, kahle kahle Bafethu kwenzeka ntoni kwi-South African industry. Now ke wena mlubukeleyo, you can go on comment section, like uzama ukhomenta, and then maybe something you said on the comment section might help one of the people who zabe bebukele this podcast. Yeah, Bafethu. So without wasting any time, let's just step into our anonymous guest. Mr. Masekubulise kunjani?
Ndiyaphila bhuda Khondo, kunjani kuwe?
Hayi ke siyaphila nathi manje kusekuhle man. As I've introduced today's topic, ukuthi who's it Bafethu kuhambani in our South African industry. When I get mistake, zame nje usibreakdownela down like ukuthi what exactly happening ngokulakho imehlo niyibona njani i-South African industry. South African industry introduce artist, iphinde izikhalale, iphinde ibe nazo ezivalela ngaphandle ingazi-accept in our space, then ibe nazo ezizigcina for the longest time. So when on your side, how you look at the industry, what you can say about the South African industry?
Okokuqala ndingathi akho nto rongo nge-industry yomculo yalapha eMzantsi. There's nothing wrong about it. It's just that nje i-artist ziyafeyila u-understand the business. Okay. I think i-artist oSjava no-MT if beno-understand obana it's business, like ayinanto kwenza nazi emotion. I'm a record label, ndiyakuthatha, I'm signing you and I'm giving you money. We've got an agreement. So if you disagree with me, ayinanto kwenza nazi emotion, it was business from the beginning. So there's nothing wrong nge-South African music industry. It's such that nje i-artist if nazi understand obana i-business.
Yeah. Now you're talking about the business side of a thing. Now I'm an artist. Like how you do advise myself. For example, I'm an artist. All that I can do is to write a song, DSU and record and money beat and record. Now talking about the business is something huge, or I don't know, I've never been exposed to business. Now tell me, how do I match these 2 things?
Okay, masikale kwinto yobana you don't have to match these 2 things. If uyi-artist uyabhala, hlala phaa ekubhaleni. Like uba uyabhala, hlala phaa ekubhaleni. As soon as kuba ngathi ngoku uchana into ezininzi, then ke ndawuthini masohlukane, i-record label mayithatha into zayo, nawe uthatha into zakho. Unfortunately ke kubi because i-record label ithatha everything, and ii-artist ezininzi xa ziphulukene ne-record label azirecoverishi.
So if ndikuva kakuhle wena uthi i-artist must be signed.
Andithi wena menzi i-artist must be signed, but ndizama ukuthi i-artist zicinga mfana uba yi-art le, kanti i-art yodwa ikushiya ulambile. That's why wasayina ne-record label, because ubufuna ubeka utya etafuleni. Now that uhluthi amehlo wakho ngadidekile, you can't differentiate between i-art ne-business. Ngoku le nto ikubekela ukutya etafuleni uyayincatsha, uvukelana nayo. So ndizama ukuthi ii-artists lapha eMzantsi funeka zi-understand into yoba this is business. I-record label yenza le nto wena ngokuya ubuyi-1 ubuwedwa ungakwazanga uyenza.
Yeah, ndikuva kakuhle as ke a person ebekhe wakhona kakhulu kwi-space se-artist, like in terms of specific here in Eastern Cape, Here in Eastern Cape, you can name few artists. It's big. Okay, but it's names in it.
Yeah.
But all of them, they are signed. We never like come across an artist like engasaynwanga and then you go front line.
Yeah.
Even if you can go like Western Cape. Western Cape, we see him Maskap, but alternative money record label. Saibona China TV. So exactly. What put you on the front line with South African industry? Ungandivumela xa ndisithi it's a signing.
Besides signing, ingathi xa sithi i-signing sisayibaleka lena. Into ekubeka ku-front line iJohannesburg. Ezinye province they must take it or leave it. Zingazama ukuphusha but ziyaphusha. Asinoyibaleki into yoba i-industry, music industry use-Johannesburg. Apha funeka sibize ispade sispade ukwenzele sizoba enlightened sizofunda.
Yeah.
Number one, into ekuthiwa yi-South African music industry kuthethwa ngeGauteng, kuthethwa ngeJohannesburg. Let's make that like C-fix. Obviously abantu bazawuthi hey naba oDa Bravo hey naba oCairo CPT andiphikisi but bayalwa. Once wase-Cape Town, wase-Durban, wase-Eastern Cape uyalwa. But
tapping into that name you just dropped, like Cairo CPT, Bravo,
yeah,
even
Taylor
and Taylor, we like the names you just dropped.
Yeah,
I can confirm they are situated in Johannesburg. Yeah, they started their thing in Cape Town, but they are much in Johannesburg.
So ndizama ukuthi okokuqala andithi amajita mawangalwi.
Yeah.
Amajita if ayifana use-Eastern Cape ngoku andithi makangalwi but ndizama ukuthi kukho umahluko between ukufumana into by default kuba usendaweni e-right nokuzama uyenza apho ukhoyo. Wonke umuntu owenza music industry and osucceedayo, obhatalwayo, ophilayo, ohaslishayo, andithi ubana imizamo yakhe ayikho iphelile. But we cannot run away from the fact that uyalwa. Umuntu oseGauteng akalwi uyenza. That's the big difference. That's why uzobona umzekelo ngizawuthini na uQuesta no balomjita no Da Bravo ufanele into yobana well in a way they are doing hip hop, they are all great artists but uDa Bravo akakho kula level kaQuesta at least okwangoku. Ingxaki into yobana uQuesta ebeseGauteng uDa Bravo use Cape Town. So ingaba ndithi ukhona odope kunomnye. Ingxaki point yama we understand andithethi ngokudope up. I'm just trying to say
location.
uDa Bravo is working 100 times harder than uQuesta. And if uDa Bravo ulenzile ixesha engathi siyam acknowledge, we need to understand unobana and also ngela xesha bese Cape Town wenze into ezininzi to gain attention yethu rather than umuntu ose-Johannesburg signed.
Yeah.
Meaning that because Johannesburg ube signed under a company, the company will do everything. But if you say Cape Town,
to get that company, it's already here.
It's somewhere around the corner. It's semi-trendy and but if uyalenza ixesha use-Cape Town like uDa Bravo, eBravo nasi ukunika flowers zakho usaphila ngoba wena uyalwa. It's like so no negative one. So umsebenzi owenzayo is at least 3 times harder than the guy esayiniweyo ese-Johannesburg.
Iyavakala wena guest yethu ne. Then iyavakala. I think it's a good advice to many artists because as I was saying, I've been in a space of music late 2000, yeah. So I was like having like an inspiration artists like likes of Inhloko Zenyoka or Queries or Simbone, like they were the powerful generation. At that particular time, I was like introduced to music. So I was like, guys, in my mind, because they were at a distance by the time. So in my mind, I was like, guys, you are so powerful. Why you're not at the main screen? Because your content is powerful, flows, beats, like everything. It's combined. Yabo. And then you will find out, no matter everything is proper. Yabo. You can't say it's a quality, because at the beginning of this thing of music and the underground music, there was a problem here, sound. So we understand when the music is not played on radios and all stuff. But there was a time whereby it sound cool. Ikwazi udlala eradioweni. But ufumanisa uba, yes, amajita, they are on radio, but they don't really reach that maximum level whereby niba accepta as celebrates. But you will be always like, okay, guys, now as I'm listening, now I'm like, okay, this thing, it's a lack of business skill. You have talent, but talent, it needs skill. You have talent, but talent, it needs location. Yeah. Without location, then there will be an extra effort to put in. Asithi ayizuphumelela. Asithi awuzulenza ixesha. But the fact that there's no business involved in your talent, there's no location is accommodating the talent you have, then you need to work multiple times of the time uzalisebenza xa uthe wa-identify these two problems. I think now I've got your point. Now lithini elova?
Masiqale phaa kulaa pati ithi ngela xesha lakho bekukho abantu abakwi frontline e-Eastern Cape. Nam I'm coming from uba yi-fan ye-OGs like Intloko Zenyoka, ndingatsho ke ndithi 3 Months Cup, ndingatsho ndithi uKhulitshana ese-underground, Khulitshana, abo Zakwe, abo Ayifani ese-underground, yabona. Nam I'm coming from that generation. Now since uthe, then if yonke into yabe ibi-proper, which is genza ukhabe ndithetha ngeNtloko Zenyoka, everything was proper and siyi-fan yabo, then why bengalenzanga ixesha to the mainstream? Now we need to really think about that.
Yeah.
Masiqale sisuse laa ndawo ithi abelenzanga ixesha.
Yeah.
Now sawungena deep now into music. Yabona mos. Fine. Ndicacise lo hlobo. Ndizama ukuthi number 1, laa nto ithi abalenzanga ixesha, it's wrong.
Okay.
Asinawuthi abalenzanga ixesha.
Yeah. Like it's kind of like disrespecting them.
No. Andiyithathi from wena what you are saying. Bonke abantu batsho bathi abalenzanga ixesha, which is, it's a common thing. But irongo yona.
It's a term that we use. We're not like saying what we don't like their music, we don't enjoy. Yeah.
Yeah. So funeka silungise laa nto yobana abalenzanga ixesha. Number 1, zawufuna ngoku ucinge deep about into uzazithetha.
Yeah.
I-hip hop yaseKapa ibizwa uba yintoni? I-hip hop yase-Eastern Cape ibizwa uba yintoni? I-hip hop, I'm not sure noba ndizawuthi yaseMpumalanga or particular line yo-Double HP no bani ngobani amajita kanti no-Khulitshana. So
no.
Umbuzo wam number 1, kutheni zahlukile? I-answer yam ithi masiye kulaa nto ithi ezinye ii-artist from ezinye provinces azilenzanga ixesha. Yabona mos. Ithi ke ngoku loo nto aba bantu bane-different missions.
Okay.
Meaning that awukwazi ujaja i-Eastern Cape hip hop nge-mentality yase-Johannesburg, because at-Johannesburg they are making money. Like at-Johannesburg there is no one who's
doing it for love.
Akho movement at-Johannesburg, there is business.
Okay.
Masiye ku-Eastern Cape i-mission yeNtloko Zenyoka, if ndizayibeka kakuhle, sigrand olo hlobo. Grand, my brother, and from here Johannesburg, meaning that they were not about making money. Okay. They were about teaching us and helping us. Zeke wathi omnye umuntu ngenye imini ndikhuliswe nguSimbone istory sikambali. These guys were about a different mission than Johannesburg. So number 1, every artist kwindawo ngendawo zilenzile ixesha ngohlobo lwazo, because imission yethu it was different. So ithi ke ngolanda ufuna qala abantu sibohlule. That's why Cape Town kukho ispaza. So it's like mandubeke lo hlobo. It's like if we are at Johannesburg, which is ujoina i-mainstream, you are joining an already existing industry in terms of a factory, Masiju. Okay. The factory is there, all machine is there, your operations is there, when you are just a part of. If you say Cape Town, you say Eastern Cape, now you are playing a different game. Intloko Zenyoka, they were not about music necessarily, but they were about changing the mentality. That's why kwingoma zawo uzawuva ingoma ezithetha ngoSteve Biko.
Yeah, the agenda of Steve Biko in terms of the apartheid people how they were operating, the Stevie, they bring things that will make people gain confidence.
It's like Amachita. I'm sorry when I'm saying Amachita, not as to disrespect them. The guys are very big and they are very old. But I'm trying to say, the guys, they were saying something through music. They were not recording music for other
for the purpose of music.
Yeah,
they were having a different purpose.
Umuntu oseGauteng has to live off music. Funeka aphile ngomculo.
Yeah.
And it's compulsory, it's a must. As soon as eGauteng ucinga preacher music, then you've got a problem. Like industries are cooper and xa ikhuphile awubuyeli because you have to put food on the table. Let's get into Eastern Cape or Dangatye, izithunywa zohlanga, and those guys, they were not making money out of music primarily. Imali and business izofika ngoba the word has to spread. So uzama conclude ndingathi mna other provinces, they are creating movement. A movement, it's a different thing. A movement iyafana ne-religion. A movement ifuneka ibe ne-mission. What is it that you stand for?
Yeah.
Meaning that ezinye provinces, they were preaching something. It's a movement. It has got an idea. It has got a philosophy. It has got an audience in a meaning. That's why sathi sobona inhloko zenyoka zinezikhipa, zine-CDs ezisilishiweyo. That was my first time to bona into sealed nge-CD yenhloko zenyoka. And then Romantic W came in naye wangena kula mission and he was successful. Yabona ichoy. So ndizama ukuthi ke it's like different provinces besides iJohannesburg zine movement than
business.
100%.
I can do kahle. Nawe ke uyazivela wena mntu ubukele le podcast. Uyakuthatha apho uthatha khona. The main thing, we're not against anybody. Like, what are we trying to say? Ndobana, at least when you get to something you know. When you follow somebody, lo mntu umlandelayo, umlandela uyazi into yoba mission yakhe yintoni. Because the problem is about you're gonna be trapped to a direction yomnye umntu. And then ube wena ubungenala purpose yakhe. For example, I've written many songs and I was praising like I've never write a verse before engenayo into ethi Eastern Cape because of the influence endiyifumene to abantu benibona kubo abangaphambili. So I was like, okay. And then there was a time myself, the figure it out, no. Yeah, this thing is not about like as in home or provincially. No, I need it to be commercial now. Then immediately I decided no, I'm commercial. I had to change the way of writing. Yeah. Yes, I'm not saying what is wrong. What the inspiration in the end was not wrong, but my mission was not on the line, inspiration and so it's one of the dangerous things for upcoming artists, from the artists who are looking for a main screen. Main screen, it needs a different approach. Ineyayo approach enayo, engeyiyo enye approach yomnye umntu. So when personally you need to know good, what are you gunning for? What are you gunning for? It's what you're going to follow. So don't follow anybody. Just do your thing. Be yourself. Be unique so that you will make it in the industry. Otherwise, there's a lot to cover. But as you know, ukuthi ixesha litshaba. Nathi beswish into yobana singahlala ixesha elide. We break down the whole conversation, the whole content, so that at least you can get more. But the little we give you, maybe you'll pick up one or two things that will help you to be at the position you want to be. Thank you very much. My name is Menzile, 15 kilometers away from King Williamstown in the province of the Eastern Cape. Uzed Bafit Kwamban, that's the name of the show. Out.